Is the Black Falcon drone a total scam, or is it actually a legit deal for tech beginners? I spent some time digging into reviews, forums, and real user feedback, and here's the fast truth in under 2 minutes. First off, yes, the Black Falcon drone is a real product. You order it, it ships to your door, and yes, you can fly it right out of the box. But here's where things get interesting. The marketing? Seriously hyped. Ads call it professional grade with 4K Ultra HD video and GPS-assisted flight. In reality, the camera is more like 720p, maybe up to 1080p on a good day. It's not true 4K, but for under $100, it's honestly not terrible. About that GPS. Some users on Reddit and tech forums say the drone doesn't actually have a GPS module. Instead, it relies on basic sensors for stability. That means it might drift a little, especially if there's even a light breeze. Battery life? Officially, 15 to 20 minutes per battery, but many users report closer to 10 minutes in real-world flying. On the plus side, it's super lightweight, foldable, and easy to carry. No FAA registration needed in most places. Let's talk features. You get one-button takeoff, easy headless mode navigation, and yes, 360-degree flips. For beginners, it's simple and fun. If you're expecting Hollywood-level footage or ultra-stable flight, though, you'll be disappointed. What about warranty and returns? There's a 30-day money-back guarantee, but some people say getting a full refund can be tricky. So, if you buy, stick to the official website or trusted retailers like Amazon.co.za to avoid shady knockoffs. Fast verdict. The Black Falcon drone isn't a scam, it's just a budget drone with a lot of flashy marketing. If you're a beginner who wants to learn, it's not bad for the price. But if you want pro features, you'll need to spend more.